New trade day beginning, and we are opening at the 50. Let's draw our opening 50 channel, and that is where price is just interacting here with the 50 EMA at the open. What are we looking for today? So we had a long move yesterday and on a pin high here the day prior. Okay, this looks like a trap high, so I might be looking for shorts today. Price opens at the 50. Looks like this is doing a little trap high. Okay, above the 50 as Asia opens. It's small. Let me zoom in here. So we already have 3 pushes low with some momentum. That could be a false entry long as we come into our prime window. And pop out high. I'm getting ready as it crosses back in. There we go. All right, so this already did pop out high here, but I want to wait for one more at least. And yeah, this is still going up. And see how the green line is still pointing up? So in our prime window here, this would have been a no trade day because I am looking for shorts. According to this move here, this trap move high from the day before, I'm looking for shorts. But in the trade window, I'm only seeing a long entry right here. Okay, and it's not really even a true long entry because just the nuance of it didn't set up right, but that's too much for this video. So I do not see a short entry in the prime window. Like this is very much still pointing up. So that's a little bit too much momentum long to be entering a short right there. So this is not the entry for the short. Okay, it would have been really early. This is actually closer to the entry up here. I know it's not in the prime window. So like I said, today, according to our 3x30 rules, would have been a no trade day because there was no short entry in our prime window. The real true entry would have been here, the safest entry. But that's one thing I do love about our the numbers, the stop loss numbers that we chose at 15, because even if you do make a mistake and you place an entry, your stop loss is typically protected. And this one would have been a test of your patience too, because it did stay above the 50 and above this 50 channel for a few hours. So really testing your patience. So here is that trap move confirming that this one is a short for today. And I know it looks long. That's the beauty of a trap move. But you can see how in TDI, this is now pointing down, confirming that it is a short. And there you go. First move short. You see how TDI here is already drifting down as price is staying solid. So that means that price is actually closing lower. And of course, the market reacted as it closed past the 50. And now it's just going to walk its way down for the rest of the day. Let's put this on fast forward and see how it plays out. So there we go. So you would have hit profit late into the day. If you would have taken this in the prime window in here, you might not have hit the 30 pips. So do not be afraid to sit on your hands, okay? If it's a no trade day, do not force the trade. Because yes, your stop loss would have been safe, but you would not have taken your 30, all right? So just trust, if it's a no trade day, it's a no trade day. Go live life. That's the whole point of doing this anyways, all right? You only need to take 3 days a week in order to hit our goal. Do not force trades. That is it for Friday, April 2nd. Take a picture. There is your most perfect setup, which is a no setup, no trade day, sit on your hands day, go and have fun. But if you are a renegade and you wanted to still play along and were willing to stay up late, you did get your 30 pips just barely. But as you guys know, I don't like cowboy trades, so let's keep it safe, keep our money, because every win gets you closer to your goal. All right, happy trading.